Good morning, students. Welcome to all. In the last class, we have seen that Shaheen was calling her parents. Why she was calling her parents? She wants to say, to express her strong desire that she wants to stay in Mumbai. She don't want to move to Boston. Isn't it? So, she was calling to the parents and express her strong desire. That is she has jumbled feelings. She has jumbled feelings. Okay, let me see what the parents are saying or how they respond it. They listened carefully, but advised me and cautioned that living in Mumbai would be vastly different from current vacation. But when I persisted, they agreed on two conditions: that I would get admission into a good undergraduate college in the city, and later I would travel abroad for my graduate degree. Okay, let me see that. They listen carefully. Here the parents, they are listening to her words. They are listening to her words. And advised me and cautioned that living in Mumbai would be vastly different from my current vacation. So, living in Mumbai, here now she was coming to India or to Mumbai only in the summer vacation. But if she used to stay in India, it will be bored. Here the parents are saying that living in Mumbai forever will get bored for you. That is for Shaheen. Okay, എപ്പോഴും മുംബൈയിൽ തന്നെ താമസിക്കുമ്പോൾ നിനക്ക് വളരെയധികം ബോറായി തോന്നും. എന്നാൽ നീ എപ്പോഴെങ്കിലും, അതായത് ഈ വെക്കേഷൻ സമയത്ത്, ഒരു വർഷത്തിൽ ഒരിക്കൽ നീ വെക്കേഷൻ ടൈമിൽ വരുമ്പോൾ നിനക്ക് ഇഷ്ടപ്പെടുന്നതായിരിക്കും എന്നിവിടെ പാരൻസ് അവളെ ഷഹീനെ പറഞ്ഞ് മനസ്സിലാക്കി കൊടുക്കുന്നു. Here, but when I persisted, they agreed. Here persisted, what is the meaning? നിർബന്ധിക്കുന്നു. Okay, here persisted, here meaning നിർബന്ധിക്കുക. Here, when Shaheen persisted to stay in Mumbai, the parents, they agreed. Okay, ആ സമയത്ത് parents എന്ത് ചെയ്യുന്നു? They agreed. Here, on two conditions. How they agreed to her opinion or the suggestion? Only for the two conditions. Here, that I would get admission into a good graduate college in the city. Here, I want to have admission in the city in a good undergraduate college. Then the second condition is I would travel abroad for my graduate degree. So, for my graduate degree, I have to go abroad. But now, you can stay in India, but what is the condition? That Shaheen has to get vacancy in the undergraduate, that is the good undergraduate. Here, good undergraduate, here college in the city. Okay, good undergraduate college in the city. Okay, let me see next one. The only place I could think to start was St. Xavier, where my parents had studied. I walked into the crowded college office and asked for an appointment to see the principal. Admission shut 3 months earlier. I was told, and the principal doesn't give appointments. I stood in the corridor outside the office, choking back frustration. A student standing outside witnessed the exchange between the principal assistant and me. He came over and whispered with a wink, "There is a side door to the principal office. You may want to try that." So the only place I could think to start was here St. Xavier, where my parents had studied. So here Shaheen wanted to continue her study in St. Xavier College. Okay, here she likes to study only in the St. Xavier College where her parents studied. So the only place I could think to start was St. Xavier where my parents had studied. I walked into the crowded college. Here crowded college here means college il valareyadhigam endana therakkanu കാണുന്നത്. Crowded. Okay, crowded എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാൽ വളരെ തിങ്ങി കുട്ടികളൊക്കെയും കാണും. വളരെ തിരക്കാണ് കാണുന്നത് കോളേജ്. Here crowded college office and asked for an appointment to see the principal. So she was going to the St. Xavier College. Here St. Xavier College office to ask for the appointment to see the principal. So where my parents had studied, I walked into the crowded college office and asked for an appointment to see the principal. അപ്പോൾ ഇവിടെ ഷഹീൻ എന്ത് തീരുമാനിക്കുന്നു? ഞാൻ പഠിക്കുക എന്ന് പറയുന്നത് ഇവിടെ സെന്റ് സേവിയർ കോളേജിലായിരിക്കണം. കാരണം സെന്റ് സേവിയർ കോളേജിലാണ് ഇവിടെ ആരും പഠിച്ചിരുന്നത്? പാരൻസും പഠിച്ചിരുന്നത്. സോ ഷി വാസ് ഗോയിങ്. അതുകൊണ്ട് തന്നെ സെന്റ് സേവിയർ കോളേജിലേക്ക് ഓഫീസിന്റെ മുന്നിലേക്ക് എത്തുന്നു. അവിടെ വളരെയധികം ക്രൗഡഡ് ആയിട്ടാണ് കാണുന്നത്. ആൻഡ് ഷി to see the principalനെ കാണാൻ വേണ്ടിയിട്ടാണ് ചെല്ലുന്നത്. Admissions start 3 months earlier, I was told, and the principal doesn't give appointment. So അവിടെ എന്താണ് കേൾക്കുന്നത്? അപ്പോയിന്റ്മെന്റ് ഒക്കെ കഴിഞ്ഞിട്ട് 3 മാസം കഴിഞ്ഞിരിക്കുന്നു. Okay, അഡ്മിഷൻ ക്ലോസ് ആയിട്ട് 3 മാസം കഴിഞ്ഞിരിക്കുന്നു. So they didn't give appointment to see the principal. അതുകൊണ്ട് തന്നെ പ്രിൻസിപ്പലിനെ കാണാനുള്ള അപ്പോയിന്റ്മെന്റ് തന്നില്ല. I stood in the corridor outside the office. Here I stood in the corridor. Corridor here means veranda. Here outside the office. So here Shaheen was waiting in the outside of the office. Here that she could hear of the admission that was closed before 3 months. I stood in the corridor outside the office, choking back frustration. So at that time when I hear of the admission that was closed before 3 months, I got frustration. എനിക്ക് എന്തുണ്ടായി? Here frustration, നിരാശയായത് ഞാൻ കേട്ടപ്പോൾ. Here, a student standing outside witnessed the exchange between the principal, assistant and me. Here, a student standing outside. So, at that time, a student was standing outside of the corridor. And she witnessed, avar kettu, here witnessed, she witnessed the thing that was the talking between the assistant, principal, assistant and me. Njanum പ്രിൻസിപ്പലിന്റെ അസിസ്റ്റന്റും സംസാരിക്കുന്നത് ഇവിടെ ആര് കേട്ടു? ദ സ്റ്റുഡന്റ്. Okay, the student hear the talk about me and the principal assistant. Here he came over and whispered with a wing. There is a side door to the principal office. So what he was saying, whispered here meaning saying silently. Okay, here whispered here meaning saying very silently. What he was saying to the Shaheen Mistry. What he was saying to Shaheen Mistry? Here there is a side door to the principal office. So there is a side door into the principal office that you could go and see her. You may want to try that. So if you want to see the principal, you can try. Okay, if you want to see the principal, you can try in that side. നിങ്ങൾക്ക് പ്രിൻസിപ്പളിനെ കാണണം എന്നുണ്ടെങ്കിൽ നിങ്ങൾക്ക് സൈഡ് ഡോർ കൂടെ പോയിട്ട് നിങ്ങൾക്ക് പ്രിൻസിപ്പളെ കാണാവുന്നതാണെന്ന് പറയാം. So here next one, I went straight through the side door. Father De Cruz looked up quizzically and opened his mouth, but before he could say anything, I blurted out what I had rehearsed. Father, my life is in your hands. I want to do something for the children for poor. I don't know how, only that I must. He was curious enough to ask me a few questions, and at the end of our conversation, Father thankfully granted me admission to St. Xavier College. Okay. So what happened then? I went straight through the side door. So the student was saying, അല്ലേ, ഒരു കുട്ടിയാണ് പറഞ്ഞത് ഒരു സൈഡ് ഡോർ ഉണ്ട്, ആ ഡോർ കൂടെ പോവുകയാണെങ്കിൽ നിങ്ങൾക്ക് പ്രിൻസിപ്പാളിനെ കാണാൻ സാധിക്കും. So she was moving to that side door and she was waiting to see the principal. So here I went straight through the side door, that is Father De Cruz looked up squeezing. Here, who was the principal there? Father De Cruz. Okay, who was the principal? Father De Cruz. He looked up squeezically. Here, squeezically here meaning വളരെ രസകരമായിട്ട്. Okay, here and opened his mouth and was started to say something to her. Okay, വളരെ രസകരമായിട്ട് അവിടെ നോക്കിക്കൊണ്ട് എന്തോ പറയാൻ വേണ്ടി പുറപ്പെടുക. But before he could say anything, I blurted out what I had rehearsed. So, before he could say anything, principal ഇങ്ങോട്ട് പറയുന്നതിന്റെ മുന്നേ who was started to say? Shaheen Mistry. Okay, here before the principal started to say something, who is rehearsed to say? Here Shaheen Mistry started to say, here blurted out. Here blurted out here meaning here speaking out without thinking. Okay, speaking without thinking. Here blurted. Here blood here meaning here speak without thinking. Okay, ഒന്നും ചിന്തിക്കാതെ പറയാൻ പുറപ്പെടുകയാണ്. Okay, here what she has rehearsed, എന്താണ് പറയാൻ വേണ്ടി ആഗ്രഹിച്ചിരുന്നു അതൊക്കെയും എന്താണ്? The Father De Cruz. Here who is the principal? Father De Cruz. So here she was started to say to Father De Cruz. Here I blurted out what I had rehearsed. എന്തൊക്കെയാണ് ഞാൻ കരുതി വെച്ചിരുന്നു അതൊക്കെയും ഞാൻ ഇവിടെ ആരോട് പറയാൻ തുടങ്ങി? Here to Father De Cruz. Here before he started to something to Shaheen Mistry. Okay, Shaheen Mistryനോട് എന്താണ് പറയാൻ പ്രിൻസിപ്പൽ വിചാരിക്കുന്നുണ്ടോ അതിന്റെ മുന്നേ കേറി ആര് പറയുന്നു? Shaheen Mistry പറയാൻ തുടങ്ങി. What she was saying to him? Here, Father, my life is in your hands. Here, Father, my life is in your hands. Here, I want to do something for the children of poor people. Okay, I want to do something for the people of poor. Here, I don't know how. എനിക്ക് അറിഞ്ഞൂടാ എങ്ങനെയാണ് എനിക്ക് ജനങ്ങളെ സഹായിക്കണം എന്നുള്ളത്. But I want to do. I must to do. പക്ഷെ എനിക്ക് എന്തായാലും അവരെ സഹായിച്ചേ പറ്റുള്ളൂ. He was curious enough to ask me a few questions. വളരെ ആകാംക്ഷയോടുകൂടി നീ എന്തൊക്കെയാണ് ചെയ്യാൻ പോകുന്നത് എന്നുള്ള പല കാര്യങ്ങളും എന്നോട് ഫാദർ ഡി ക്രൂസ് എന്നോട് ചോദിക്കാൻ തുടങ്ങി. Here and at the end of our conversation, the father thankfully granted me admission to St. Xavier College. So finally, here Shaheen told about her strong desire. അവരുടെ ആഗ്രഹങ്ങളെല്ലാം ഇവിടെ ഫാദർ ഡി ക്രൂസിനോട് പറഞ്ഞു തുടങ്ങി. So at that time, so at final, here, who is giving admission in the college? Father De Cruz, that is the principal, gave admission to Shaheen Mistry in St. Xavier College. Okay, now I am stopping the class here. Let me see in the next class. Thank you.